Good morning, students. Today we will start with our next exercise, that is exercise 7b. And here again we will learn the multiplications of the mixed numerals also. So let's start. Some of the questions I have solved and some are left unsolved here. These I will show you live on the video. See here, this question is solved. So first I will solve this F part. Take it seriously and see how I have done. Here the question is given to you, 7 upon 11 multiplied by 33 upon 49 multiplied by 14 upon 44. These are the three fractions which we have to solve now. Now first of all we have to reduce it. One of the numerator can be reduced with one of the denominator. एक न्यूमिरेटर दूसरे डिनोमिनेटर के संग रिड्यूस हो सकता है. So first of all we will see that in the table of 7, 49 is getting divided. So we will divide it with the table of 7. 7 ones are 7 and 7 sevens are 49. This is already reduced. Now 11 and 33, this is also possible to reduce. In the table of 11, 33 will also get divided. So 11 ones are 11 and 33, 11 threes are 33. In this way we have divided this. Now we can see 7 and 14 again get divided. In the table of 7, 14 is divided. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. Now what is remaining here? 3 and 2. These are the two numerators, and in the denominator we are getting 1, 1 and 44. So we can see only 44 is the denominator and 3 and 2 is the numerator. Now in the table of 3, 44 is not divisible. But in the table of 2, 44 is divisible, because both the numbers are even numbers. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 22s are 44. Now we are having only 3 as numerator. Then 3 multiplied by 1, 3 ones are 3 and again 3 ones are 3. So 3 is the numerator here and denominator is 1 into 22, that is 22. So 22 is the denominator here. This is the final answer for this question. In the same manner I have solved many questions. See here, the fraction was 8 upon 27, 15 upon 16. So in the table of 8, 16 is reduced. We will take one numerator and one denominator. So 8 here numerator and 16 here denominator. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. This is reduced. Now here it is 15 and here it is 27. So 3 5s are 15 and 3 9s are 27. Now there is no other number which is divisible. So 1 and 5 both are numerator. Multiply that. 1 5s are 5 and 9 and 2. These are the two denominators. Multiply this. 9 2s are 18. So this question is solved now. Now the next question is 1 7 upon 8 multiplied by 3 1 upon 5. So first of all we will convert this into improper fraction. 8 ones are 8 plus 7 is 15 upon 8 and 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. Now we will reduce it. In the table of 5, 15 is divisible. So 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15. And in the table of 8, 16 is divisible. 8 ones are 8 and 8 twos are 16. Now denominator is 1 and 1. So denominator 6 upon 1 only. And numerator 3 into 2. That is 6. Answer is 6 only. Next question. 9 1 upon 11 multiplied by 10 1 upon 12. Now we have to convert it into improper fraction first of all. 11 9s are 99 plus 1 100 upon 11. And 12 10s are 120 plus 1 120 1 upon 12. Now in the table of 11, 11 times 121 is reduced. 11 ones are 11, 11 11s are 121. So this is already reduced. Now in the table of 2, 6 times 12 will come and 50 times 100 will come. 2 6 are 12 and 2 50s are 100. Now 50 and 6 again reducible with the table of 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 25s are 50. Now we are having only 3 1s are 3 as denominator and 25 11s are 275 as numerator. Now we will convert it into mixed fraction. Divide it, we will get 91 2 upon 3 as mixed fraction. Once you will divide it, you will get the answer. Now the next question. This is 2 1 upon 7 multiplied by 3 1 upon 2. So 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. And 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7 upon 2. So 7 से 7 cross out हो गया 1 time. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. 2 or 15 we cannot reduce in any of the table. So 15 1s are 15 and 2 1s are 2. 15 upon 2 is the answer. Make it in the mixed fraction. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 upon 2 हो गया. Now next question. Same manner we have to do. First of all we will convert it into improper fraction. So we are getting 56 upon 15 and 105 upon 63. Now 15 की table में 7 times 105 is divided. So 15 1s are 15 and 15 7s are 105. And in the table of 7 8s are 56 and 7 9s are 63. तो ये 7 की table में reduce हो गया. अब we have to multiply because none of these numbers will be divisible. 8 or 9 या 7 or 9 is not divisible. So 8 7s are 56 and 9 1s are 9. So answer is 56 upon 9. Now convert it into mixed fraction. 9 6 are 54 plus 2 is 56 upon 9. Now the next question. 4 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 7 upon 57. First of all we will convert it into improper fraction. So 19 upon 4 and 64 upon 57. Now 19 की टेबल में 57 3 टाइम्स डिवाइड होता है. 19 1s are 19, 19 3s are 57. एंड 4 की टेबल में 16 टाइम्स 64 डिविजिबल है. नाउ ये भी रिड्यूस हो गया और ये भी रिड्यूस हो गया. अब हमारे पास 16 1s are 16 एंड 3 1s are 3 ये बचा है. नाउ वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. 3 5s are 15 प्लस 1 16 upon 3. Now this is next question. 12 1 upon 2 is equals to 25 upon 2 and 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. Now reduce it. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Now we don't have any denominators here, only numerators are there. 5 8s are 40 and 40 is the answer for this question. Now again I have left 2 questions unsolved, so we will solve it live. So first of all we will convert it into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. 17 1s are 17 plus 7 24 upon 17 and 8 6 are 48 plus 3 51 upon 8. तो सबसे पहले हमें ये ढूंढना है कौन सी टेबल से कौन सा नंबर रिड्यूस हो सकता है. So here 17 1s are 17 and 17 3s are 51. ये रिड्यूस हो गया. Now 8 1s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Now ऊपर बचा है 3 and 3 and 11. नीचे है सिर्फ 4. अब 4 की टेबल में ये तीनों नंबर डिवाइड नहीं जाएंगे. So we will leave it as it is. Now we have to multiply 11 into 3. 11 3s are 33 and 33 3s are 99. And denominator में हमारे पास बचा है 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, that is 4 only. Now we have to convert it into improper fraction. तो आप या तो डिवाइड लगा के देख लीजिए रफ कॉलम बना के, या फिर डायरेक्ट डिवाइड भी आप कर सकते हैं. आप रफ कॉलम बनाइए और डिवाइड कीजिए. 4 2s are 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. Take down this 9. It will become 19 now. 4 4s are 16. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 4 will become the denominator, 3 will become the numerator, and 24, that is the quotient, will become a whole number. So this is the final answer for this question. Now here, this is the last question, 2b. 1 2 by 3 multiplied by 7 upon 8 multiplied by 3 1 upon 5. This is the question. First of all, we will multiply 3 1 the 3 plus 2 5 upon 3. 7 upon 8 and 5 3 the 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. Now reduce it. In the table of 5, 5 is reduced one time. Any of the numerator and any of the denominator we can divide. अब इधर 8 1 जा 8 and 8 2 जा 16, ये भी डिवाइड हो गया. अब नीचे है 3, ऊपर है 7 and 2. अब 3 की टेबल में ना तो 7 आएगा ना 2 आएगा, तो ये हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. तो वी विल सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई. 7 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 इज 14 and 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 into 1 is 3. अब इसको सिंपली आपको करना होगा मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में. 3 4 जा 12 and 2 is the remainder. In this way you have to solve all these questions. Method is easy, only you have to learn the tables properly, in which table the number is reducible. Homework is provided after this PDF. I will give you PDF. In that PDF you will get the homework also. Thank you for today. Goodbye.